Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to start my E36 build. As you guys know from the previous video, I crashed it on my second day owning it. Alright, got 30. Yeah, car up. Okay, so in order for you to take the bumper off, you gotta take these nuts off, and there's gonna be one bolt right here, right there. But 15 extension, make sure you don't lose these bolts. The job is much more easier if you have another friend helping you out to pull the bumper out, but in my case I'm not too worried about it. If I break something, I break it. I don't have to, like, honestly I'm missing the whole bottom of the bumper. Other than this, just one fog lights. Save the bolts and literally just pull it out, just like that, guys. Make sure to unplug all the harness. Oops. Go ahead, save all these because you will be needing them. Take off. This one is plastic, so be careful with that. The one on the you can see my radiator is all loose because there's supposed to be two clips right here. That's missing. I don't have it. One less step to worry about. I will be unplugging these. I don't think I have any coolant in the system. I actually, never mind, I actually do have a little bit. First, if you're just replacing the radiator, if you want to take just the radiator out, you can go ahead, unscrew these, pull these off, and unplug the connector on the bottom, and then unplug these there, and then you'll be able to pull the radiator up. So I just took this to clip off. There's gonna be another one right there. It is a 6mm. Jeez. It's for sure stuck. Whew. It's fucked up. Oh shit. This is fucked up, guys.